space as possible. So good afternoon everyone, welcome to the glass bottom board and have a look inside. We have different type of species moving inside. So please mind do not touch inside the water. This is our safety and be seated at the end of our zero. So this main tank is 11 meter deep. Inside we have approximately 20,000 fishes and 85 species and 10 million liters sea water inside the main tank. So the water temperature is 24 Celsius. And these are cow nose rays moving here. His face similar looking like a cow. And this one is zebra shark, the black spotted. In front of me, this is a shark cage. This cage is using for feeding the sharks every day afternoon. And other activities we have here like shark walking, scuba diving, sharking water and snorkeling. So inside the main tank we have all rocks and corals are artificial. We don't put it inside the live coral because the fishes eat them and they damage the ecosystem and lifespan. And this is the biggest fish inside the main tank is sawfish. And we putting her nickname is Sheena. She is 2.7 meters. We bring this fish from Australia. This one is leopard stingray. His design looking like a leopard. So these stingrays have sharp tail and little poison, and the lifespan of these stingrays around 10 to 12 years old. And the next side in front of me is the observatory platform. After the boat tour, you came here and you're feeding the fishes here. You make a picture and video tour. This is a part of Penguin Cove. And these are golden trillion species school is moving around. This one is cow nose ray. This one is zebra shark.
Yeah, the big one at the bottom.
The big one is bottom. Is Tharina shark. This is a type of shark. Tharina shark. So you know why the sharks do not eat the other fishes? Because we're giving the best environment inside and we look after them. And every 2 p.m. afternoon our divers, they go inside the main tank and they're giving the target feeding one by one all the sharks. So they have a special type of stick. They put food on stick and they're giving the shark one. And we're giving them like favorite food, like tuna, mackerel, shrimps and milky fish. So that's why they do not eat the other fish. And here we have also fish hospital in this corner. Inside the main tank, any fish are sick or injured, we catch them and put inside the hospital. Here we have doctors, laboratory and specialized staff. So there is a filtration system. This filtration system is working 24/7. So when the water level is going down, we bring seawater on tankers and we put it inside the main tank. So this aquarium is automatic to see. Is moving inside. Zebra shark. And we prepared weekly food for these species around 600 to 1100 kg. On daily basis we prepare 200 kg food for these species. Inside the main tank we have just 20,000 fishes, but in the whole aquarium we have 33,000 fishes and 300 species. The freshwater fishes and the lake water fishes we have inside the underwater zoo. So have a look here. This is a big sand tiger shark is moving here. You know how many teeth they have? They have approximately 300 teeth. This one is sand tiger shark. And today you also saw the shark eggs and baby sharks inside the Penguin Cove, and you touched the sharks inside the underwater zoo. So my colleague is there to assist you. You make your pictures and videos over there. So this one is the big shark snake. This is a sawfish. Alright ladies and gentlemen, now you go for a next level underwater zoo and Penguin Cove. So be seated. First I park the boat and then you came outside and mind your hand over there. Thank you.